Ever find yourself craving something sweet but don't want to turn on the oven? A no-bake dessert that even kids can put together in no time. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. You'll be surprised to know that today's recipe won't even need any butter, sugar, or flour. Just a few simple ingredients from your pantry. Starting with our first ingredient, that is the biscuits. You can take any biscuit you like, but something to balance out the sweetness. So what I have taken here is the unsalted and unsweetened cracker biscuits. They also help to absorb the moisture from the wet ingredients. Now all you need to do is just pulse it until you get a coarse crumb-like texture. This should be fine. Now take a clean large bowl and transfer the mixture into it. Our next ingredient would help give this treat a crunchy texture. Taking some roasted peanuts into the chopper and pulse it just the same. You can always use any other nut you like, but be careful not to grind it too much, as it will start to release its natural oils. Go ahead and add it to the bowl along with the biscuit crumbs. Now set that aside and take a saucepan with some milk chocolate, chopped small enough to melt easily, along with some milk. And keeping the stove on extremely low heat, keep stirring at all times to avoid the chocolate from burning. Turn off the heat until you see just a few lumps remaining and allow it to melt and bring it to a smooth consistency like I've shown here. This looks good. Once ready, pour it into the bowl of the biscuit mixture while it's still warm. The idea is to help the mixture become soft enough to mold. Now bring out your rolling mat and get your little ones too, because this is the fun part. It's an activity for all in the family, I'll say. And all you need to do is divide the mixture into two halves, giving one half to your kids and the other for yourself to show them how to. Go ahead and mold the portion into a log. There's no fixed size or thickness to it. Simply eyeball it and bring it to an even thickness. Now taking some desiccated coconut, we will use it to coat the log. You can always take some extra crushed peanuts if you like, or even some roasted sesame for that extra nutty flavor. It gives a great taste and texture too. Now taking the bent scraper, we will remove the excess coconut. It helps to clean up the space as well. Now taking a dowel or a thick straw, we will simply make the indentation along the center of the log. Remember to be gentle but quick, as the chocolate in the mixture will begin to set once cooled down completely. Bring it onto a parchment paper to help move it onto a tray and set that aside. Similarly, go ahead and repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Or unless you've already given it to your kids and they've got their own log ready as well. So you don't necessarily have to make it into two halves. You can always make it 3 or 4 parts. Each one in the family can make a log of their own. And if you're thinking, can I make this ahead of time for guests? Absolutely. You can prepare this treat and store them in the refrigerator for up to a week. They can last up to a month in the freezer too. Now allow this to set in the fridge for about 15 minutes while we get our toppings ready. Once it's ready, we will take our melted chocolate to pour into the cavity. You can always use milk or dark chocolate, whatever you like. And this part is where your kids can get creative. Ask them what filling they'd like. It could be peanut butter, or jam, or even freshly made strawberry compote. Now take some melted milk chocolate and drizzle it in a zigzag manner, like I have shown here. And using a toothpick or a skewer, simply drag it through the center of the filling, creating a stunning, beautiful pattern. Don't rush this step, enjoy it. Play around with the toppings, colors, and patterns. Whatever makes you smile. And if it doesn't look perfect, remember, homemade treats are meant to look real, comforting, and filled with love. I'm sure they'll taste great. Now comes the hardest part. I know, you want to slice it the second it's ready, but giving it a little time to set properly makes that first cutting so satisfying. And if you're still watching till here, I'm thinking you're already imagining your first bite. And if this is giving you cravings, save the recipe because you're definitely gonna make it soon. And for more such amazing treats, do check out my ebook. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I love no-bake recipes for guests when suddenly they say they're dropping by in 20 minutes. And the best part, you can make it and serve it right away. So if you do give this recipe a try, I'd love to see how yours turn out. Don't worry about making it look perfect though. The fact that you made it is already special. Send me a picture on my Instagram page. I truly enjoy seeing your creations. It genuinely makes my day. And if you've stayed with me till here to watch the video, I'd like to say a big thank you for your time. It means so much to me. Time to see how they taste. Looks so tempting with that little specks of nuts and the chocolate center. Deliciously nutty and creamy at the same time. I hope this video brought a little bit of joy, comfort, and inspiration in your kitchen today. Until next time, keep creating and experimenting. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.